In this video, I'll show you how to add a gradient to text in Photoshop, so this will be a step-by-step tutorial. So first open Photoshop and go into your project, then you want to go ahead and go to the text tool, or just click T on your keyboard and it will take you straight there. Now you can go ahead and create your text, so go ahead and drag out a text box and then enter in some text. Now I've done that, I'm just going to click on the text and click Ctrl A on the keyboard, which is going to highlight all of it. And I'll just bring the font down a bit. Okay, so now I'll click on the move tool to finalize that, and I can move it wherever I want. And let's just resize this for the video. So now let's add a gradient to this text. All you need to do now is go to the layers, and if you double click on the layers, you'll get the layer style option open. From here you can mess around with a lot of different layer styles to get different effects, but if you want to add a gradient, go to gradient overlay. Then you can click on your gradient, and then click here on the starting one. Enter in your first color, then double click here and enter your secondary color, and you can then create a gradient. You can add a third color, or you can add as many colors as you want to create the perfect gradient for you. Once you're happy with it, click OK. You can alternatively use the pre-made gradients. You can also change things like the gradient scale and the gradient angle, but that's how to do it. Click OK. I hope that video did help you out.